Oh, I ordered these samples and this thing is so cool. So you basically order your samples and they come in this cool little envelope and the paint samples are in here. Ah, I love all of them. That's the problem. And they're these really cool stickers. Like you peel this off the back and you stick it like on your wall where you want it to get the, you know, the vibe. So you don't have to paint anything, but it's basically the exact same color as the paint. And then it tells you the color on it. And then whichever one you like, you can actually order your paint online and they will send it to you mixed and ready to go. So these are the colors I ordered, this like dusty pink. And I'm showing you in the laundry room sidebar tip that if you are trying to pick paint, I found that it's best to pick the colors in the room that you're actually going to use it. Because like if I take this, which I love, this color into a different room, it kind of takes on a different color, like based on the lighting. So the natural light makes it look different than in this room. It looks a lot deeper than it did out there because there's no natural light in here. So you want to test your paint samples wherever the same lighting is consistent, like ideally in the same room. So those are the ones I ordered. It's like it has a color palette, but I need to pick the one that I'm going to paint on the walls. They're called Angelico. This is like a peachy pink. This one I love so much. It's called Beta Fish and Very Navy, which you all know I love navy. I actually love all three of these. So I'm kind of leaning between these two. Beta Fish and Very Navy. I need to decide out of these two, which one is your favorite? Here they are on my wall. I love this pink one, but I already kind of did the pink with a fun tile in my old house. So as much as I love it, I may use it as like an accent color. I realized that the Beta Fish one is super close to a wall that Savannah has in her master bedroom. And if it's anything like that, and like the deepness and the richness is close, I might be doing that one. So I'm gonna drive over to her house and stick this